channel. It's your girl Queen Temi and
Bethiye, Bethiye.
So today we're gonna show you how we got this shiller. Okay.
This look, we're gonna show you how we got this look today. She's gonna show you how she got this look today. Okay.
Yeah, first, if you like this look, first don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow us on our social medias. I'm gonna leave her social media in the description.
You're gonna do one of those things where it pops up right here?
I'm gonna learn how to. So, yeah, what's your social media?
Honestly, I really only use Instagram. It's Bethiye. Bethiye.
And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Temi. So I'm gonna leave everything right here. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye. So first, we're starting with a fresh face. That's Beth just dancing. I've already prepped her skin. Next, I am going in with my dip brow for her eyebrows, and now I'm going with concealer just to clean it up. Now I'm going in with a Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer to prime her lid, and I went in with the yellow color from Juvia's Place, and I forgot to add that. Now I'm just putting a highlight on her brow, taking this color from the Black Radiance contour palette, the dark color, the contour color to put on her eyes. Now I'm going in with Morphe 350 palette using this color. I wish they had the names written on it, not on a piece of paper, because I don't know the names right now. So yeah, Beth is dancing again. Now I'm taking this color and I'm placing it, just using a brush, just blend it in like a circular motion on her lid as the main color. Next, I'm going in with a liquid liner, a pencil liquid liner, and just placing that on her lid. And I'm also going in with some liner for her bottom and just smudging it till she looks like a raccoon. Now I'm taking Makeup Revolution's liquid illuminators and just blending that on her skin to give her this glow. And now I'm taking her foundation and just warming it up and just placing that on her skin and just blending, blend. Now I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape as her concealer, and I'm just lightly brushing the concealer on her face and trying to match up with her face shape, and also to create a tiny wing to clean up like the wing part of the eyeliner. Blend, meticulously blending. I'm taking Sacha Buttercup to set her her face or her highlight. And now I'm taking the Black Radiance contour palette to contour her face, to bronze up her face, her nose. This is the one in light medium. Now I'm taking Mario Badescu spray, spraying that just to put everything together. Then I'm going to go in with a sponge to blend everything out. Next, I'm going in following tradition and taking the same transition colors and putting those at the bottom of my of her liner, of her eye, bruh. So now I'm taking blush, Black Radiance blush, and just putting that on her face. I think it's in like something plum, and this is Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter that I'm using as her highlight. Now I'm just gonna apply some lashes, And I went in and we picked a lip color. We just mixed a bunch of lips, and I'm going in with a gloss. And now I'm spraying her face with Kat Von D's setting spray. And she's gonna fix her lip a little bit more off camera. But yeah, this is the finishing look, guys. We are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And gosh, she looked so beautiful. Like, there's so many clips that I had to cut off. It hurts me that I had to cut it off because she looked really good, if I do say so myself. Okay, bye guys. And the remaining clips are of her dancing. Oh my goodness, I have so many clips of her dancing, you guys. But yeah, don't forget to follow both of us. Okay, bye.